Hi guys, Lewis here. Today I'm going to discuss the best alternatives to Scrivener in 2025. If you're a writer, novelist, screenwriter or researcher, you already know that Scrivener has been a revolutionary tool for organizing long-form writing projects, outlining ideas, and keeping your research in one place. But while Scrivener is undoubtedly powerful, it's not always the best choice for everyone. Maybe you want something simpler to use, or a tool that works in the cloud, or even a free option that still helps you get stuff done. Whether it's because of the cost, platform restrictions, or just wanting something that feels easier to use, there are plenty of other alternatives out there that might work better for you. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 6 of the best Scrivener alternatives available today. By the end, you'll have a clear idea of which one might be the perfect match for your writing style and workflow. So let's get started. Before we get into the alternatives though, let's talk about Scrivener for a moment. Scrivener has been a favorite writing tool for authors and creatives who need something powerful to manage big writing projects. Think of it as a digital workspace where you can keep all your drafts, research, notes, and outlines in one spot. Its biggest strength is that it helps you break down huge projects into smaller, manageable pieces, like focusing on one scene or chapter at a time, whilst keeping the bigger picture in view. But here's the thing, while Scrivener has tons of features, some writers find the interface a bit overwhelming, especially if you're new or prefer something simpler or more modern. Plus, it's a one-time purchase for desktop users, but the mobile version isn't as strong, and updates can feel a bit unreliable. Because of this, lots of writers have started looking at alternatives, tools that are cloud-based, easier to use, or even offer subscription plans that grow with your needs. Now that we know what Scrivener does well and where it might fall short, let's check out the first alternative. First up is Ulysses, a writing tool that's gotten a lot of love from writers for its clean and simple design. It works only on Mac, iPad, and iPhone, and it's perfect if you want a distraction-free space to write. Compared to Scrivener, which can feel a bit overwhelming with all its features, Ulysses focuses on keeping things simple and organized. The app uses a basic library system to organize your projects, and it supports Markdown so you can format your work as you go. What really makes Ulysses stand out is how easy it is to use and how smoothly it works. Plus, since it's subscription-based, it's always updated with the latest tools. You don't have to buy a new version every time something changes. Writers love Ulysses for its sleek design, smooth performance, and how well it syncs across devices. Sure, it doesn't have all the extra features that Scrivener offers, but if you want something simple, efficient, and easy to use, Ulysses is a strong choice. Next up is Noveler, a cloud-based writing tool made for today's writers. Unlike Scrivener, which you have to download onto your computer, Noveler works on any device with internet. This means you can write anywhere, anytime, without being stuck to one computer. Noveler keeps things simple with a clean, distraction-free space for writing. It also has great tools to track your progress, set daily word goals, and even see your writing habits over time. One of the best features of Noveler is that it automatically saves and backs up your work to the cloud, so you never have to worry about losing your drafts. Many writers love Noveler for its simplicity. Unlike Scrivener, which can feel a bit overwhelming, Noveler's simple design makes you focus without all the extra clutter. Plus, it's subscription-based, so instead of a big one-time cost, you can pay in smaller amounts over time. If you want a writing tool that's easy to use, works anywhere, and helps you stay on track, Noveler is definitely worth checking out. Now let's talk about Manuskript, an open source writing tool that many writers love for its flexibility and customization. It's especially great for anyone working on complex novels or big writing projects. Why? Because it comes with super helpful features for outlining, developing characters, and plotting your story. The best part is that it's completely free. That makes it a great choice for writers who don't want to spend money but still want a powerful tool, similar to Scrivener. With Manuskript, you can create detailed outlines, keep track of your plot using visual graphs, and even set reminders to help you hit your writing goals. Since it's open source, a community of developers is always working to improve it, so new features and updates keep rolling out. Sure, the interface might not look as polished as some paid options, but the tools and price make Manuskript an awesome choice for writers who want a budget-friendly, feature-packed option. Hey, quick interruption. Are you searching for the most efficient way to manage your business, life, or finances? Well, I'm excited to share a valuable resource with you all. We've developed top-notch Notion templates to streamline your business operations, enhance your personal organization, and optimize your financial management. Click the link down in the description of this video to check it out. All right, back to the video. Furthermore, let's talk about LivingWriter, a writing tool made by author Simon Haynes, especially for novelists. It helps break your work into chapters and scenes, so it's easier to handle big projects and track your progress. One of the best things about LivingWriter is how it focuses on the structure of your story. It helps you keep track of your plot, characters, and setting without worrying about formatting. The best part is that there's a free version. If you need more features, there's also a paid version, but it's budget friendly. Many writers love LivingWriter for its simple approach. It's great for organizing complex stories, especially if you find other tools like Scrivener a bit overwhelming. Now, it might not look as sleek as some other options, but it gets the job done. If you're the type of writer who just wants to focus on your story's structure and not bother with the fancy design stuff, LivingWriter is definitely worth checking out. Next up is Dabble Writer, a newer writing software that's quickly becoming a favorite among novelists and screenwriters. It's a modern, cloud-based tool that's super easy to use but still powerful. One of its standout features is the built-in plotting tools, which lets you map out your story, develop character arcs, and manage timelines all in one place. Writers love Dabble for its clean and simple design. It cuts down distractions so you can focus on what really matters, your writing. Plus, it has collaboration features that make it easy to share your work with beta readers or writing partners, so you can get feedback as you go. Dabble has a straightforward subscription model that's pretty affordable, especially given all the features it offers. It's a strong competitor to Scrivener, but with a more user-friendly design. If you're looking for a writing tool that combines solid plotting features with a sleek, easy-to-use interface, Dabble Writer is definitely worth checking out. Finally, we have LivingWriter, a cloud-based writing app that's been getting a lot of attention in the writing world. It's designed to help writers organize their stories in a simple, modern way. Think of it as a mix of Scrivener's best features with the ease of cloud storage and automatic syncing across devices. What makes LivingWriter stand out is that for starters, it comes with pre-built story templates and tools to help plan your narrative, create characters, and structure your plot without any hassle. Plus, the design is super user-friendly, so you can dive right into your project without spending hours learning how to use it. Another cool feature is the collaboration tools. You can work with editors, co-authors, or beta readers in real time, which is great if you like getting feedback throughout the writing process. LivingWriter runs on a subscription model, but it's priced well and gives you access to regular updates and new features as they're added. If you're looking for a modern, cloud-based alternative to Scrivener that makes long-form writing easier and more organized, LivingWriter is definitely worth a try. So there you have it, 6 great alternatives to Scrivener. Each of these platforms has its strengths, so the best one really depends on your team's needs and how you like to work. I hope this video helped you discover some solid Scrivener alternatives. If you found it useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more reviews on the best tech tools out there. If you have any questions, comments, or a favourite tool I missed, feel free to share them in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.